Hi guys, welcome to another episode of AJAWI TV. I'm AJAWI and for today I actually met up with a returning resident or somebody who is a subscriber of the channel and who has been following us to basically speak about some stuff that he wants to do. So yeah, it was a pretty interesting and fun experience, meeting with one of my followers. So that's what you'll be seeing in this video. And also, I actually went to do a couple inspections for some of my followers who are living in the US and Canada at the moment. So I went to do some inspections. So I'm going to be showing you guys what my day is like when I go out to do jobs for returning residents, right? So before I move on, I also want to say to you, this is the point at which you should click like, click subscribe, click the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I have videos, alright? And look out for other videos that are coming. We're working on the NHT interview, so don't miss that, alright? So without any further ado, let's get into this video. Hi guys, everybody know me as AJAWI and this is
Sean.
returning resident and born, live, grow at Jamaica, and we're here doing a measured survey or a site survey for Sean. And what do you want to say to the guys?
Hey, listen, I thank God first and foremost for growing up here with my grandmother who's 95 years old.
Wow.
Yeah, she's still alive.
Yeah.
But I consider myself blessed in many ways. Not just myself, I grew up with my brother and sister here as well. I graduated from Calabar.
And I'm
Big
also a
up.
Calabar old boy as well.
Alright, big up.
And then our technician, our engineer, Calabar man. So the link up great, but
Calabar
honestly, Sean,
boys, we stick together.
yeah man, and as returning residents, we just have to really be vigilant and at the same time, love where we come from. That's just what it is.
Absolutely, absolutely.
So guys, you heard it from Sean and you heard it from where? AJAWI TV, alright? See you next time. Hey guys, so I am actually on my way home for the day. I actually went to 2 sites today to basically do some inspections, right? To do some inspections. Just turn down that radio. So yeah, I went to 2 sites today. One in Spanish Town to check on a property for a returning resident. It was a interesting inspection. I want you guys to know something. Well, I went on this particular site and I saw a situation that was a bit alarming, right? So there was a discharge of water into a building area, and that discharge of water is left inside the building, and the water is continuously being discharged into the area, right? So I spoke to the client about the fact that when you're pouring water inside that space, it has to be going somewhere. It can't be sitting in there so that it then soaks down to the foundation, and you're continuously having water in that area, soap water that has in all kind of minerals, salt and stuff like that, and you're constantly exposing your foundation to that will cause problem in the long run. this is not something that should happen. Because this water goes somewhere, and based on what I say, it's a water where come regular. This have to go somewhere. You can't stay there so just so. So if foundation is gone down in a foundation. This is inside the structure, right? This is not supposed to be happening. This is inside the building. There's a discharge pipe inside. So where is this water going? Down to your foundation, right out your steel. So that was an issue for that particular site. I went to another site, where they are building a basement. So yes, people actually have basement in Jamaica. So yeah, they were building a basement, and I just saw a view that was really beautiful. So I had to show you guys, and this is why I tell people that hey, Kingston is considered as the green city of the Caribbean. Kingston is very green. We have a lot of trees and stuff like that. So I think we're doing well, right? So that was a pretty hectic day for me. Just heading to site from one side to another, and it's not only just heading to a site, but it's like miles away. So one is on the opposite side. It's the two extremes for me today. So that was the situation for me. So now it's time for me to basically head back home. I have my guys actually doing a site inspection for another returning resident in where is he? St. Thomas today. So he's actually down there taking some drone shots. He's doing a drone survey of that particular site. So he's on that for me, and I did. So he did one side, I did two. Right? So I guess it's a pretty productive day for me. But yeah, I mean, I love this job. I love what I do, and I like to see people happy at the end of the day and feeling comfortable. And I want to see returning residents coming back to Jamaica and investing in Jamaica and just making Jamaica the destination of the world. And I'm going to show you why Jamaica is considered as the green city. So I'm going to show you that right now. So right about now, say 3, 2, 1, and this is why Jamaica is considered as the green city. Okay. Now this is Kingston, Jamaica, right? That is considered as the green city. Look at that. So beautiful, right? So beautiful. Okay, so we're back. So guys, and I'm so tired. I'm like really tired right now. Ugh. Yeah, I know I have my hand in my face, but I sanitize my hand. So yeah, I'm trying to find a parking spot so that I can go into the store to buy some stuff for myself and just relax for the rest of the day. And I got up from like, what? I got up like 5 o'clock. I got up like 3 o'clock. Yeah, 3 o'clock. I got up 3 o'clock and started working, guys. So I'm like really tired. Really tired. So I'm gonna go in this store, buy some stuff. Oh yeah. So I went into the store. Guys, I went to buy some sketchbook, right? I buy some sketchbook and pen. I bought two of the pens that I use. I use some special pens to sketch, right? Because I sketch a lot. I bought a sketchbook and a pen. But the two pen that I bought, guess how much the two pen cost? Right? The two pen cost $1,010. Two pens. So a lot of people always ask me, like somebody will see me with a pen and they're like, oh, that's a nice pen, can I have it? I'm like, no. Because these pens are so expensive. But they're not regular pens though. They're special pens, right? So I sketch with those. The book that I bought cost $1,300. No, like $1,400. One book, one sketchbook cost, right? But yeah, I have to always bear that in mind, isn't it? Then wait, Bridging. And you alone are paying the government tax. Trying to turn and navigate this traffic. Yo, driving in Jamaica rough, Rough. So, yeah, I'm heading back home now. I think I might draw, but I'm gonna go link my brother first. Then when I reach home, I have to clean for the day. That's the thing that sucks about being single, like I'd go out on the road like for the entire day working, and then I have to come home and I still have to clean. I have to come home, I can clean and make sure that the house is in good proper order, because I don't like when my place messy. Alright guys, so if you have made it this far in this video, then I know that you have been a real supporter of this channel. I want to say thank you to those that have actually supported this channel by donating to the channel. Your donation goes a long way. We're looking to create more content, better content, and for those that are actually commenting and giving their feedback on videos, I want to say appreciate it. Don't feel any way, leave a comment, whatever your comment is, right? I take every comment and try and improve, whether it is a compliment or, I wouldn't say bashing, but whether it is critical, I do take those into consideration. As you can see, the growth and the changes that I've made so far. So NHT is coming on, guys. I'm actually doing that inspection, that video at the moment, so look out for that. All right. So yeah, thank you for watching, thank you for liking, thank you for sharing, thank you for being a part of the journey, and I'll see you next time.